Hi, Eric here from Cycle Maintenance Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to fix a bent Presta valve core. Okay, let's begin. If you accidentally bend the brass screw on the Presta valve during the inflation, then you have 3 ways of fixing it. Step 1. Replace the valve core. In some cases, you might be able to replace the broken valve core with a new one. For this job, you will need a spare Presta valve core and a Presta valve remover. First, inspect the valve core on your Presta valve to see if it can be removed. If it has 2 beveled sides, then this core is removable. Use the valve removal tool to undo and remove the broken valve anti-clockwise. Fit the new valve core by screwing it clockwise with your hand. Now slightly tighten it with the Presta valve remover. If your Presta valve core is not removable, then proceed to step 2. Step 2. Try to bend it back. Before you start, you will need a pair of pliers. If possible, fully unscrew the brass washer. Clasp the brass washer in the pliers and gently bend it back. If it did not break, then your valve is ready to be used again. If it did break, then you are forced to move to the 3rd step. Step 3. Replace the inner tube. If your valve has snapped and you can't replace the core, your best option is to change the whole inner tube. I've created a detailed, easy to follow video tutorial which you can find here that shows you how to change the tube on a push bike and electric bike. You can also access the video by clicking on the link provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments below if you used any of the methods mentioned in this video to fix a Presta valve core. If you found the information helpful, you can show your support by making a small donation. Simply click on the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks for your support!